What is Kamiq?
Kamiq.
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 Yeah.
There is no definition in the English language. It's when all the details come together. It's when you've found your perfect match.
Kamiq is something that suits your character.
And is always with you.
Kamiq is when you found your own style instead of following every trend.
They're not the same. It's not like he's red on black, this one is black on red. And here, it's actually red and black on red.
Kamiq is an old word from the Inuit language. It stands for things that fit so perfectly that there's nothing better.
Boom.
Inspired by Inuit people, we named our new car Kamiq. Designed for those who follow their instincts and know exactly what fits them.
That's Kamiq.
SKODA. Simply clever.